Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to see your matches on Tinder. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to direct your attention to the bottom of your screen. You'll notice several icons in the navigation bar, and what you're looking for is the chat icon. Go ahead and tap on chat to proceed. This is where all your conversations and match information are stored, making it the central hub for all your Tinder interactions. Once you tap on the chat section, the app will take you to a new screen where you can see all your activity. Right at the top of this page, you'll notice a section labeled New Matches. This area displays all the recent people who have matched with you, showing you the freshest connections you've made on the platform. It's a great way to keep track of who's just shown interest in your profile. Now, if you scroll down just below the New Matches section, you'll be able to see all your matches listed out. This is your complete collection of everyone you've matched with on Tinder, not just the recent ones. The app organizes them in a neat list format, making it easy to browse through and find specific people you want to chat with. Here's where it gets interesting. As you look through this list, you can see all the people that have matched with you over time. Each profile shows their photo and name, giving you a quick visual reference of your connections. This makes it simple to remember who's who and decide who you'd like to reach out to first. The best part is that you can click on any of these matches and start a conversation right away. Simply tap on the profile of the person you want to chat with and it will open up a messaging window. From there, you can send your first message, reply to theirs if they've already reached out, or just browse their profile a bit more before deciding what to say. The chat interface is straightforward and user-friendly, designed to help you connect naturally with your matches. And that's it. You've now learned how to navigate to your matches on Tinder and start conversations with the people you're interested in. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.